Hello everybody! Guess what we're doing today?
I'm getting my ears pierced with Mommy.
Presley is getting her ears pierced. So I've, always said she has to be the one to make the decision because it's her ears. And she came home this week because one of her friends, right? One of your friends got their ears pierced.
Yeah.
And so she asked me, and so we talked to Adam about it too, and he's like, that's fine with me, so we're gonna go get him pierced today. I'm so excited. A little girl's day. Lolo's watching the boys so that her and I could have a little girl time. We came in and she's like, look at this yummy cake.
It looks like it got caramel nuts.
I have to get it before of you. What do your ears look like? Here, turn to the side so I see. No pierced ears. They're gonna have little earrings in them soon. We got distracted by the sunglass section. Here we go. Peanut.
Look at this.
Oh, that's so cute for Valentine's Day.
Cute. With your little hat. I've been that with you when I've been in the school.
She climbed right up. She is ready to go.
I'm gonna use a magic marker. Okay, so look straight. Turn this way, there you go. There you go. It's possible.
Yeah, move, okay.
Please be picky. If you want to move it, we can do it.
And this, no, I feel like those are even.
All right. Okay, my love. So I need you to scoot all the way back. Yep.
You
All
just
the way
sit
there
very,
you go.
very still.
So have you watched that movie Frozen? So I need you to be frozen. Like no moving, just very frozen.
Did you hear what she said though? When she pierces it, you cannot move. You have to stay very still until she moves away. Okay?
Now,
Stay very
I'm gonna
still.
count. Don't look at it. It's gonna make you more scared. I'm gonna count, right? And then when I say 3, I want you to go take a deep breath like that. But I want
Stay
you to
still.
let go, okay? Don't hold your breath, okay?
Okay, go. Okay?
You're ready. So
Stay still.
stay as still as possible, okay? All right. So gonna start counting, okay? 1, 2, 3, deep breath. Done.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
You want to see the first one now?
Oh my gosh. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. Ready?
You
for the
did so
second
good.
one? You did so good. Yeah. Okay.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath. There you go.
Oh my gosh, you look
Look at
so
it.
grown up.
Wow, those sparkle.
Oh my god.
I think you picked nice earrings.
You look like such a princess. Did that hurt at all?
Just
You're
a
so
little pinch.
brave, you literally. I'm so proud of you. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take a picture. Look this way and I can get the after. Ready? Smile. They look so good, Presley.
Can't take it.
Gonna show? Those look so nice. Oh my goodness. You look so grown up now with those in. Did it even hurt at all? Just a little pinch?
So that's absolutely.
You get 20% off when you get your ears pierced here, so she picked out a couple of other butterfly earrings. And what's the other thing you picked out there?
A little earrings with bananas and a cat strap, please.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I feel like I have an 8-year-old. You look so grown up. Aw. This was fun. Showing off those earrings. Are you so happy? We got some lemonade and some pretzels. Presley's favorite things. Good little mommy-daughter date, huh? I just can't believe how old she looks with her earrings in. That woman, Crystal, was so great. I feel like she was the best at doing it because she didn't even cry at all, and I feel like she just like kept the mood so calm. So thank you, Crystal, because that seriously made this process. I think I was obviously more nervous than even Presley was, and they turned out so good. She looks so cute. I'm so happy.
3 people in my class besides me with the ears pierced.
3 people?
Yeah, that's Kia, Avery, and Sophia.
Oh. And now Presley's got her ears pierced.
Avery's 6 and Sophia's only 5 and I'm 5 and a half Laura's 5.5 like me, and Jenna's not, but she doesn't have her ears pierced, but she's 6 and he still doesn't.
Oh. Well, everybody decides, their parents and them can decide when they think they're old enough, so.
It's a salty one.
It's a salty one, yeah. Doesn't she look so grown up?
My mom said I look like I'm 8.
I think you look like you're a teenager.
Oh my god. Aww.
Are you going to high school?
Hey Daddy, are you excited to do the daddy-daughter dance?
I am so excited to do the daddy-daughter dance.
Now you'll have your ears pierced for it.
Mom and Landon did it yesterday, and that's the thing. Hey, I got pissed that little Pikachu stick. Boys, stay fun with Mommy. Me and Mom can be matching.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Those boots are really cute. Oh my gosh, they're like pink velvet. Show me the back with the glitter. That's adorable. Good pick, Prez.
Can we get them?
We'll see. Let's look at outfits first and see if they go with anything. Oh my god, look at the little cowboy boots too.
Yeah.
The glitter cowboy boots. Oh my
If
gosh.
I wear these ones, maybe these will match better though, but I like these ones because maybe you can match.
Yeah.
This one matches better, but I like these two.
Yeah. It's all so cute. Those little purses too.
Maybe this could go with them.
Oh, you have a bow like that, don't you?
No.
Yeah, you do. You might have lost it, but you had one.
I lost it. Can I get one?
Yeah. Presley just picked this out. I need that. What am I gonna do? Go to Vegas?
You can just steal it off her.
I'm not gonna steal it off her, but I'm saying I would buy it, but I need something to wear that to. That's fun.
Maybe you can wear that to maybe.
Should I wear it to church? Just kidding.
Okay, this is cute.
Which one? Oh, that would be pretty for church.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. You're a little fashionista. What did Presley get for Landon?
A Pikachu hat.
A Pikachu hair. Look down so I can see it. It's so cute. Aww. Nice pick, Presley. You saying hi? Say hi. You showing your snack? Say hi, everyone. Okay, well, Hayden naps. I feel like I should get things cleaned up because the house is a wreck, but I honestly am just feeling like so tired. Last night, I didn't take my camera or anything like that, but at Landon's school, they had a mother-son date night where it was this glow party, and it was crazy. I mean, they had a DJ, and we had like different like glow rings and glow necklaces on, and you could paint your face. It was really, really cute. So that's why this weekend I was kind of like leaning on my mom, because I'm like, she watched the younger two last night so that Landon and I could have our little date, and then watched the boys this morning so that Presley and I could have our little girl date today. So that was really fun. I feel like Hay gets a ton of one-on-one time with me when the big two are at school then too. So it's nice to kind of make this time for them. And yeah, I just feel so lucky and thankful for that support. So I can spend a little one-on-one time with each of the kids, because it's really hard to do. It's so hard to do, especially as a single mom. You know, I have to like rely on friends and family for so much support right now. So I'm glad I got to do it.
But you ain't gazing on someone in denial, 'cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside.
We've got like Lady Gaga vibes going on over here. Now we're doing a little haul of all the things Presley picked out. So she got these really cute boots. I love these, Prez.
Yeah.
You're so cute. Aw, you're using your pretend kitty until we find a real kitty, huh?
Yeah.
We're on the hunt for a white kitty she wants. Okay, you want to tell them about this dress?
This dress I picked out because Mom said that if you know this dress can be good for an Easter one, so I used it. I picked it out without her knowing.
Yeah.
I kept trying to ask her, but she was on the phone, so I just picked it up.
Yeah, because Lola was calling me, huh? But we thought this would be so cute for Easter. And, you know, just kind of
And you know
school
my
and
mom
church.
that's my Neville?
You're always so sweet. You're the best daughter ever. You know that? We saw how cute. It's like a little, almost like activewear dress. It has like the shorties
And
underneath.
it's kind of like a good one to go with this and the bow for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, she had a pink bow for Valentine's Day and these pink slippers. These are from Claire's, right? Where you got your ears pierced?
Yeah.
The other stuff is from Dillard's. And this cute little, it's like a little spring white jacket that I was like, this is just the most adorable outfit ever. So cute.
And we even got slap bracelet.
She did. This one's, it's really cute. It has like little rhinestone kitty cat ears. And then some pink leggings.
Then we got a slap for you too. Yeah.
To make it interactive. And this soft little sweater. It's literally the softest thing.
And I think we got a slap for my mom.
Oh yeah? Can you put it on me? Thanks. This is the last thing I was going to show you guys. We passed a bookstore and my friend Bridget told me she read these two and loved them. So I picked up both of these because I loved, I think they were both on Netflix. There was like a Prince Harry and Meghan special. I'm looking at her like she's watched it. She hasn't watched it. And then the Pamela Anderson special I just watched
Did you
a few
see
days
my
ago.
kitty got dressed up?
Oh, you put both in it.
Yeah.
That's so cute. Oh my goodness. You're adorable. My boyfriend just brought lunch over. Looks so good. I know they say that a way to a man's heart is through his belly, but I think it works both ways. Pizza is all done.
And Mommy's making pizza's the best and got my ear pierced today.
She's like still on such a high. We played some Monopoly. That game lasts so long. That's the only thing I don't like about that game. I feel like it is a fun game. It just takes hours, it feels like. And then when Hayden got up, we just kind of played a little bit, made these pizzas for dinner, and probably just gonna like watch some TV before I put them to bed.
After a ball blueberry.
Hayden, what do you like to eat? Say blueberries.
Yeah.
Let him say it. Say blueberry. What is it called?
Blueberry. Say blueberry.
What is this called? What is it called? What is this called? Say blueberry. Say blueberry.
He's still eating. So busy eating the blueberries he can't say he's peeing
You're so happy with your blueberries. Aww.
I can't believe I was that brave.
With your ears. If you know today, when they pierced her ears, she didn't even cry. Like her eyes didn't even water.
Yeah.
And they did one ear at a time.
I
She's
did.
so brave.
Or if they did both at once.
Well, then it wouldn't hurt as bad. But it hurts more because they have to do one and it hurts. And then you do the other and it pinches. And she didn't even cry at all. So grown-up.
I didn't even take a breath too big of it.
Yeah, she told you, right? Take a deep breath and let it out. And that was supposed to make it not hurt as much.
Yeah,
Right.
but I did it at night when I was just like, I did a tiny pump.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we
Aiden Shark doo 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 doo. Oh my god, I love this towel. Yeah. Oh, you put your new slipper? Let me see. Oh my god. And your bunny ears from Lolo, huh? You look very cute.
Night night.
When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?